Hi, I'm Dr. Courtney Tran at Cook Children's Pediatrics in Celina. I wanted to become a pediatrician at a very young age. I had a unique experience. I actually was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease when I was 18 months old. So I spent a lot of time seeing my pediatrician. And there were just so many things about visiting my pediatrician that made me excited as a kid. I was not that typical kid who was afraid of going to the doctor. I loved going to the doctor. I loved the pediatric environment, the bright, colorful walls, like the toys, the happy staff. Everyone genuinely seems happy in pediatrics. Everyone's smiling. Everyone loves going to work. I mean, those are huge factors. And then my experience just with my autoimmune disease and with my relationship with my pediatrician and how close we were together, I think that those things played a huge role for me. When I went into med school, I kind of dipped my toes into different specialties to see if I would be interested in those specialties, but I've always circled back to pediatrics. I was already a kid who had aspirations to become a pediatrician, and I remember seeing Cook Children's and just being in awe of the hospital, like, wow, one day I'm gonna work there, one day I'm gonna be a pediatrician with Cook Children's. Cook Children's already had a great name at the time when I was a kid. And I just remember thinking, like, one day I'm gonna be there. One day I'm gonna be a pediatrician there. Cook Children's does have an amazing reputation of not only taking good care of their patients and, providing their patients with specialists, with like thoroughly good care all around, but then also they take good care of their staff. My care style has always been that I want to really truly connect with my families. And I've never been just the doctor to know, like, hey, this kid's a 13-year-old kid and they have X, Y, and Z medical diagnoses. I always try to get to know my families. I really love the newborn period. That's probably my favorite part about being a pediatrician, that newborn period. I love creating that bond from the very beginning of life with parents, but then also I love the newborns in that they are just they're unique individuals. They're very unknown individuals. There's a lot of unexpected territory with having a newborn. I just love being a part of my family's lives and being able to help them navigate through that period.